welcome to back to my channel. Today we have a DIY. We are make.
Sino mo to?
Today's vlog, we are going to make DIY bracelet, headband, necklace. Mommy made this.
Made this.
Ako did some orange.
So, what are the things that we need?
We have beads, lots of designs, and we have this too.
What are those?
Keys and strawberries.
And those are pendants.
Pendants to make a necklace. And we have these too. We have string. We have a headband to make it. And we have a scissor bat. Very careful.
What is this one? It's a lock
A lock
for our headbands.
for our headband. Let's start. Hey, Mommy, be to help me.
Ano una natin gagawin? Hindi, ano nga? Is it necklace?
Necklace.
You want a...
We have a soft, very soft ornaments. And teddy bears is so soft. Everything is so soft.
Nice, let's try. Ako, kailangan natin mahaba.
Ready to first.
I'm gonna measure it muna.
Mommy, be to help me.
Dapat yung measurement ng ating necklace is triple. Mas maganda, mas mahaba. Kasi para short.
This is for my heart.
Okay. So first, we need to choose our designs.
A heart.
Okay. How about for the beads? Purple? You want the purple one? Okay. Start with the pendant in the middle.
A heart.
So Luna's gonna be the one to put the pendant and the beads.
Whoa. Look. That's a really beautiful necklace.
Wala pa. We need to lock muna the pendant. Okay. So, secure na natin yung ating pendant. Okay, you put na the beads.
Yeah. Mama, ano sila putas? Ito sila nababa. Whoa! Yuck!
On the other side. So this one, we made this neck bracelet.
Yeah.
We made this bracelet. Naduduling.
Duling ako. Duling.
So as you can see, we have lots of beads here to choose from. And then, dito, mas madami pa siyang designs.
Huh?
Meron din tayong mga round beads. Ayan. See?
Okay lang.
I'm gonna check it. Oh, this is a very unique necklace.
Minnie Mouse.
Okay. You put 10 here on the side, and then on the other side, you put the other 10 beads. What?
Balik siya!
Okay, so next color.
Ito.
Yung bagay sa pink, sa purple. Bakit?
Okay, we are done our necklace.
Yan.
Now, next is a headband.
Okay, so we need this metal
Metal.
and then beads, of course, and then a lock.
A lock.
Yes, here. Kasi ilalagay namin siya dito sa dulo ng headband para hindi siya masakit and para secured. Be careful. Ako na baka matusok.
Oh, ba't balik siya? Ulit! Ah! Mama!
I'm gonna lock this
What?
using para siyang pakaw ng hikaw na plastic.
Just very careful. Don't bite it. This is not doba. It's a kid. It's not doba. Ah! Woo! Aki, the doba now. The body curve.
Okay, almost done. Let's see.
Paano ikaw gawin yan?
There you go.
Ah! We are done. We are all done. Our headband.
Let's try. Let's try. Actually, wala siya yung parang ngipin. Pero, it's okay. Ayan, so let's try. Medyo, kasi may ipit siya dito eh. Okay. Look! Look at that! It's so nice!
Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. we are doing to make a bracelet.
Again, I'm gonna get the string. So, dapat 3 times or 4 times na kasing measure ng kanyang wrist. Let's try na. Let's try.
Ikaw na nag-decide ako dito. Women are mga flowers. Okay? Flowers. Mga mamang flowers.
May ganong klaseng flowers?
Whoa! Ah!
By the way, we bought this at, of course, Shopee. What will you say?
Thank you, Shopee. Thank you, Mommy.
Ah.
Yan.
Okay. Yan. Perfect. Ayan, kasi diba ito, yung mahabang length ng string, ibabalik natin siya dito, papasok natin siya dito, on this side, ikot ulit, para matibay siya. Okay. So, there you go. We meet them on the middle. When we push this together, we should push together these two.
One eternity later.